Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this Chevron French glitter dip powder nail design using Azure Beauty and Kiara Sky dip powders. If you are new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Azure Beauty Gold, Kiara Sky Pure White, and Kiara Sky Dark Pink. So I'm just pouring some of the Kiara Sky Dark Pink into an empty container because I didn't want to contaminate all of my pink dip powder with glitter. This is my favorite pink nail bed color from Kiara Sky. It's the perfect in-between color, as I've said before, because it's not too dark or too light, it's just right. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Now I'm just applying base to the whole nail, and then I dip it into Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. Usually I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into clear dip powder. But for this one, I decided to do one layer. This acts as a foundation for building my nails, and this is also an optional step. I just prefer doing it like this. On the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail. Then I angle my finger into the gold glitter dip powder to achieve a Chevron French dip powder design. This glitter is so nice, I had to do another design with it. As you may know, I did a design with this gold glitter a while back. I'll link it in the cards, and I just needed to do another one because it's so nice. So it's all about how you angle your finger, as I've said in previous videos, and I leave it in the glitter for 5 seconds before I do the other side. Always remember, when you angle and dip into the glitter, you keep your finger facing the way you dip. If you turn your finger the other way, you can get glitter on the nail bed area. That goes for all of the colors you do. Always keep it facing the way you dip. So if you do a left angle dip, keep it facing downward on the left side. If you raise your hand or go on the right, the excess powder would just go where it's not supposed to, and then it's not supposed to. Anyway, then I poured the Kiara Sky Dark Dip Powder. I did 2 layers of that. I hope I explained that correctly. You get me, right? Yes. Now, on the ring finger, I did a nice color block I made up because I like to make up weird designs. So I applied the base, and then I just angle my hands in both the gold glitter and the pink. So just watch and you should be able to understand. As I've said in all of my videos, it's all about how you angle your hand, and also keep your finger in the dip powder for 5 seconds each time you dip. That gives the dip powder time to attach to the glue. I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2. If you see me shaking while doing this design, it's because I wasn't feeling well, but I still wanted to do my nails. I was shaking so bad throughout this video, my goodness. And if you're getting value from this video, click the like button down below to let me know what you think. And also don't forget to comment your thoughts on this design. Now on the middle finger, I'm doing a Chevron French nail design with the Cherael Sky Pure White and the Azure Beauty Gold, the powder, as well as the Cherael Sky Dark Pink. So I'm just angling my finger into the dip powder, and I just do what I do. I did 2 layers of that. Then on my index finger, I did another Chevron glitter French nail design. So as you can see here, I didn't follow my own instructions. When I was finished dipping, why is my finger up in the air waving like I just don't care? I don't know why I did that, but I did pay for doing that because some of the glitter was on the nail bed area. On the thumb, I did another color block nail design, and I did 3 layers of this using Cherael Sky Dark Pink and Azure Beauty Gold Glitter. So as I've always said, it's all about how you angle your hand, and ensure you leave your finger in the dip powder for 5 seconds before dipping into the other dip powder. Then I encapsulated the nails. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator and I waited a while, then I began filing. So this is after filing and buffing the nails. Now decisions, which one should I choose? Well, I chose the Model 1's top coat, and since I chose the Model 1's top coat, I do not have to apply any activator. However, if I wanted to use the dip powder top coat, I would have to use the activator and then wait a while, then apply the 2 layers of the powder top coat. I also cured it for 60 seconds. I would like to also say that my thumb right there, that is not a greenie. That is a mixture I just do. Every time I take off my nails, I use some top coat and some garlic and mix it together, whatever, to make a kind of remedy for my nails, to harden the nails. So that is what you are seeing there. After I waited for it to cool down, I applied cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!